it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I am showing you the thank you gift that I am sending to everybody who shopped with me in, where are we, March. It's this little envelope in which will be a Green and Black's Velvet Edition dark chocolate with sea salt. Now, you know I don't do chocolate, but that doesn't mean I don't appreciate that other people do. Now I've used the True Gentleman Designer Series paper as much as anything because I thought it kind of rather went well. Now, it's low stock, so whether it's going to be in stock by the time you see this, I don't know. But look, doesn't that go really well? Because it's the colours are Navy and Tranquil Tide as the two main sort of bluey colours. So I thought that went really rather well. So, regardless of whether the paper is in stock or not, it's still a good project. So, envelope punch board. My paper is 4 inches square and I am going to punch and score at 1 3/4. I'll give you the dimensions of the finished item in a moment because I haven't measured it, which is stupid. I'm going to put some more light on. It's the middle of the day, for crying out loud. It shouldn't be this dark, but we're supposed to be getting, that's better, we're supposed to be getting some half-decent weather. And by the time you see this, we may well have some half-decent weather. But at the moment, not so much. It's like the middle of the night in the middle of the afternoon. So, you know. Right, now I'm going to punch the a round edge on one of the long sides, but not the others, because the others are going to be hidden. And then all we need to do, I don't actually need that anymore, don't need any of that anymore. So all we're going to do is fold it up because it's an envelope. It's paper, so you don't have to do burnishing. It's really not necessary. And then that fits beautifully just in the middle. Comme ça. So perfect. Isn't that perfect? So how much does this measure? This measures 2.5 by 2. So really nice, really cute. I'm just going to take one mini glue dot and pop that on the flap that's been rounded, and then pop that down. And then I'm going to grab some of this lovely corduroy ribbon, which again hopefully is still in stock when you watch this. Sorry if it's not. And I'm just wrapping it so I've got a piece that's slightly longer than the little envelope. And then I'm going to add, because it was in stock when I recorded this, some fast fuse. If you haven't got fast fuse, you could use tear and tape or glue dots. Either would be fine. And then just wrap. Actually, that one's probably the better one to put down there. Just wrap that round your little envelope just as a bit of trimming. And then I am using, from the Love You Still on the retiring list, thank you. I just love the font. I think it's really nice. And I want to use the punch that goes with the True Gent. And it fits nicely. So, piece of Very Vanilla. And I'm going to use crushed curry, which is staying with us. Actually, if I'm sensible, I'll do it from that end. So just ink up your crushed curry. This needs re-inking. It's all those sunflowers I've been stamping. So there we go. Yes, definitely needs re-inking. And punch that out so that it's sort of in the middle. And then I'm going to grab one of the browns in the pattern paper is chocolate chip, which as we know is retiring. So let's use some chocolate chip. And then I'm going to cut this in half down the long way. And then pop a little bit of fast fuse. Snail would be fine. There. And then just pop that so there's a little bit sticking out at the top and a little bit sticking out at the bottom. Square would be better. There we go. Then I'm going to pop a dimensional on the points, on each of those 2 points, and then the ribbon, the bulk of the ribbon will go here, so it'll sit nice and kind of flattish. Pop those in my little bin, and then pop that there. Ooh. Yeah, I am in the right place. And then I've got one crushed curry heart left. 2 seconds ago, there we are, I had a, just add the heart, because these are going as well. And there we go. So I've got a few more of those to make. And I've used the True Gent. I mean, I think it is, it can be used, it's classic, so it can be used for either male or female. But also, do you know, it's not just women who shop with me. Not just women who become demonstrators. And we need to embrace that men like crafting too. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know if this is going to go live before the parcels go out. I've been waiting for a delivery of the gift that I'm sending, and it has, I know it's been shipped now, but it has taken a while because with all the orders following on stage, we're allowed to do a really early order if we went to on stage, and then with the retirement list kicking off, the warehouse has been a little bit busy. So it's on its way, and I'm hoping that by the time this goes live, you will have received your Prezi. Anyway, thank you very much indeed. If you've enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't subscribe, please hit the little subscribe button. Any questions or comments, please pop those below. I always get back to any comments. It may take a few days, but I will get back. If you want to shop for any of the products or any other products, please hop over to my online store. During April, I am doing a prize draw where if you spend £25 or more, and for every £25 you spend using the host code, and that's the important bit, you need to use the host code. At the end of April, I'll add up all the orders that you have placed. So if you order more than once, those two will add together. So if you do an order of £40 and an order of £35, you'd get 2 entries, but add them together, you get 3. So that's all good. If you are your own host, so if you spend £150 or more and you're your own host, I will still enter you into the prize draw, but I'll only just enter once, because this really is so that people who use my host code get the benefit. So yes, and the prize is the Many Marvellous Markers, which is £99 in the catalogue. It is just still in stock. I've got one. It's here, waiting to go out. So it is still in stock. Yes, it will have some retiring colours in it, but the vast majority of the colours will be carrying over, and then you'll get the case and all that good stuff. And I'm sure you'll be then able to add other colours as you want them. Thank you very much indeed, and I hope to hear from you, and I hope to be able to send you a thank you gift in May for shopping in April. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again soon.